Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to draw these slot type part from this sketch. So let's start new part and okay. Now you can see we have to draw this base part, which is I'm going to draw on front plane. So let's start front plane sketch. Select center point, straight slot from origin, horizontal, and make a slot. Now offset click and make 19 mm dimension. Select this line. Okay, now go to smart dimension, 108 and 15 and 34. 108, this is of 15 and it by default will become 34. Yeah, you can see. Okay, now we have to extrude it. We can see on top plane as it is 52. So features, extrude up to 52. Okay, now you can see it is extruded. Now what we have to do, come to the back side, click sketch, control 8. Now what you have to do, simple go to line, find the center point of this semicircle, make a vertical line. Okay, make it as for construction. Okay, one circle, click on circle, make a one circle and second circle, smart dimension. What dimension you have? This is 76. This is of 76. This one is of 25 radius, means 50 dia, and this is of 18 mm dia. Okay, now what you have to do next, again go to line command, find the tangent point and make vertical line. Okay, end chain, right click and click on end chain, or you can double click simply from this point to the vertical to the surface. Okay, escape. Now what you have to do, simple come here, features, extrude boss base and select contour this one, this one, this one, 34. Okay, now select this face, sketch, control 8. Okay, now click on this semicircle and tangent. Now click on this one, this line and tangent. Okay, now simple extrude boss base. Okay, you can see it's going outside, so reverse direction, and it is of 12. I have made a mistake, I think. Edit features, and it's 12 mm. Or you can see it's 22, not 12, it's 22. Okay, now simply rotate it. And one thing more, you can see there is a flit, not a sharp edge. So go to flit, select this edge and make a dimension of radius of 5 mm. Okay, now it's done. Isometric view. Okay, change the appearance by changing color, or you can give some material. Okay, this one, this side on this inner surface, click on this appearance and change its this one. Okay, now perspective, plain white, and it's done. Hope you guys can understand this tutorial. If you have any query, you can ask me, or if you like the tutorial, then like the video and share to your friends. And also, if you are not subscribed the cat station is still, then subscribe cat station. Thank you.